Hello, it's Justin, and this video is about how to tie a tie. First, you get your tie like this with the thicker end longer than the thinner end, and you really have to adjust it based on your torso length. It's just trial and error, so just make sure that your torso length is relevant to how long the thicker end is compared to how long the thinner end is. Once you have that clear, after a few trial and errors, you cross over the thicker end, the thicker side over the shorter side, and then you wrap it up like this, and make sure you get this end through the loop over here. After that, you stick the loop over the hole you have when you wrapped it in, and then you just pull it down all the way, and you'll have the thinner end on this side, and then you just adjust it and pull it up until it's back in shape. And most ties have holes that you can stick the thinner end in, and that is helpful because you don't want the thinner end to stick out from the thicker end. And that's how you tie a tie. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram where you can DM me, and follow me on Medium where I write about similar articles as I talk about on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notifications, and see you next time.